Okay, we're gonna do Dumb and Dumber, most annoying sound in the world / Mockingbird. Okay. Hey, you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Guys! Can we just listen to the radio or something?
James. Okay. Radio. Release the radio. Ready, Harry?
Yep.
Mark.
Yeah.
Ing.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yeah.
Bird. Don't everybody have you heard? Have you heard? She's gonna buy me a mockingbird, mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, bird don't sing. She's gonna buy me a diamond ring, diamond ring. And if the diamond ring don't shine. I don't know the rest. Okay.
There's another load of people at Lloyd's over there.
Here come up! Mock,
See?
ing,
See?
bird.
See? All together.
See! Okay. See you. I'm Lloyd.
I'm the guy that they picked up that said, I'm Harry.
See ya.
Later.
Hey, Ethan's directing, so if you want to see him.